guys, how you doing? Welcome back to video 2. Now on this video what I want to talk about very quickly is just to run through the differences between your personal profile and your Facebook pages, and really how Facebook has set this up. Now, I'm going to presume that everybody watching this is going to be wanting to use Facebook as primarily a business tool. Now, if you do just want to come on board and chat with your friends and set up your profile and all that kind of stuff, that's great, and continue to watch my videos because I am going to take you through step by step how to set up your profile. However, I will be constantly referring how to use it as a business tool because obviously that's what I'm doing and what I'm going to presume the bulk of the people watching these videos are going to be wanting to use it for. So here is my personal profile, okay? And in a second I'm actually going to give you a bit of a tour around this and show you all the different elements of what is on a personal profile. Now, when you set up, when you originally set up your account, the first thing you have to do is set up a personal profile. And this is essentially your main hub. This is the umbrella account, if you like. Yeah, this is like your bank account. And this is where everything else comes from, okay? Now, once you set up your main account, you can then go and create a page. Now, I don't cover creating pages in this particular series. I do that in my free video series actually on how to create pages and use iframes, etc. But here are my pages, or some of my pages. This is free fan page templates, and this is one of my pages. At the time of recording, we just hit just over 10,000 this morning, which I was quite pleased about. This is the Social Networking Academy page. Okay, that's here. This is my greatest Facebook show on earth page. And basically, you know, I've got a whole load of other test pages and all sorts of different pages that I've created within Facebook using this main account as my sort of main hub, if you like, yeah? And what happens, the way it works, is that this is your personal account. So on this account, this is where you start to grow your friends, yeah? You start to go out, chatting to people, talking to people, inviting friends, creating relationships. You keep this page as personal as you possibly can, yeah? Chatting to people, saying, hello, look at me, I've just got back to the UK and it's absolutely freezing, and it is absolutely freezing. And this is where you can really start to build relationships with like-minded people, get to know them on a more personal level, yeah? And they can start to get to know you, and it's all about doing business with people you trust, isn't it, yeah? It's all about doing business with people that you like. It's all about doing business with people who've got some credibility. And the great thing about Facebook as well is it's all about doing business with people that other people recommend. And that is the power of Facebook. All of these people here, all of these 2,000 odd friends that I've got, I will be building relationships with on here, chatting to, talking to, etc. We get to the point where we like each other, we're talking to each other, you know, and all the rest of it. And all of a sudden, when they then come to me and say, hey, Joe, I've just created a new page, or vice versa, we go over and check it out and have a look at it. Then we've already started to build that relationship. So we're going to head over to each other's pages and we're going to help each other out. Yeah, and then we're going to start to recommend it to our other friends and other people that we know, and gradually it's going to grow, and there's going to be a gradual viral effect as more and more people get to know us and then, you know, come onto our pages. Now, the difference here is in your personal profile, you're obviously building friends, okay? And you have to do that quite slowly. And Facebook don't like you doing it too fast because, remember, Facebook was set up as a social networking site for you to communicate with people you already know, people who are already your friends, okay? What they're not too keen on is you going out there and just friending up lots and lots of people who you've never met before, because they're thinking, well, why do you want to do that? You know, why are you just spamming the walls of people and all the rest of it? Really, you should be only trying to communicate with people that you already know. So if you are starting to build friends and going out and inviting friends, and you're getting that little message that says, do you know this person? That is exactly why you're getting it. Okay, so you need to be very careful when building your friends. You need to do it nice and slowly, and really sort of start to get to know the people that you are becoming friends with. On the other hand, on your pages, these are people that like your page. Yeah, in the old days they were called fans. In the old days these were called fan pages. Yeah, and these are people that like your page, and you can have as many of those a day as you like. Yeah, the sites like Michael Jackson and Lady Gaga go up by thousands, if not millions, every day. So you can have as many people like your page as you want, okay? And you can very aggressively go out there and try and get as many people to like your page as you can very, very quickly. So those are the main differences. Now, if you're still a little bit confused, don't worry, because basically over the next few videos, I'm going to show you exactly how to set this page up, all the different settings within it, and then we move on and I show you how to actually set up these pages as well. Yeah, so over the course of the video series, you'll be able to get a very clear picture of how all the different things work. All right, okay, I'm going to call it a day there. On video 3, we're going to come back to this page here, and I'm just going to give you a little tour around and show you what all the different things on a page are. See you in the next video.